Hey guys, welcome back once again to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my YouTube video. It's your girl Kenny, and I'm back again with another banger. So today, how are we doing? If you haven't watched my other videos, go and watch it. Okay, today I'll be fixing my bed. Yeah, fine. Ignore this background. I have to remove everything that's at the background and ship it aside and put my bed there and fix it. Honestly, I'm gonna try and fix it. If I don't know how to fix it, I'll have to call my dad. But I'll do that myself. And let me show you guys the bed. Yeah, I'll be fixing it. It's heavy. It was $98, but because it was Black Friday, the real price is actually I think $198. Yeah, almost $200. Yeah, and on sales, baby, it was on sale. It was $98. Like, well, it's a twin bed. Like, but let's all finger cross its sizes because, let me put this down. Okay, yeah, that is good. So like that. It's iron. Okay. Let's make this sleep. Let's make it sleep. Let's make this sleep. So move those things out of the back of me so I can have space to put my bed and stuff. Okay, so guys, I have removed it away, so that place is clear, and I will have to fix it because it's on the floor. Let me move it so you guys can see it clearly. Right there. So we should just open this. Guys, so I'm gonna put this on laps and we're gonna fix the bed. Okay, and just open everything and just fix it. So let's go. So guys, as you can see, I'm almost, ignore that I'm watching the movie, but if you can hear me clearly, see I'm almost done with it. We're in a good progress. Okay guys, so I am done with this, but honestly I don't think I did this right, because if you look at this, thing, okay, so right there underneath, right there, yeah, right there, the line right there, I didn't put it because I tried to do it, but I don't know why it's not working. Like, this is a stick, right? And I don't know what's wrong, but I guess I finished it. I guess that is the finished look. Let me put my bed on top to show you guys. I guess I'll have to sleep like that, honestly. Or I'll make my neck come and check it. So this is my bed right there. I love that edge right there. Like, I love it. And the bottom there. And I mean, there's still space in this side. There's the extra space here. But I am going to just make my bed, do all those fun stuff on top, and I'll show you guys.
That's cool on the beat.
Done with my bed finally. Let me on this light, because okay, so let me put this up, because okay, I'm decorating it. It's not the best, but it's something. Like, let me show you. I'm still cleaning that one up. This is my bed, you know, BTS as always, K-pop as always, super him. That is the plushies, and I still have this one to cover up, so that one is there. I don't know where to put my comforter. Like, I put my comforter on the bed, but I wanted to put it on my under my bed in case I am ready to use it. So yeah, that is the finished look of my bed. It's gorgeous, I know. Fixing things is not for me. Like, I do not know how to fix things, but I'm sure I did it good without my dad. But I have to ask him why that thing is not staying in the middle. But it's cute, okay? My point of view, period. But you know, guys, this is what I'm gonna be doing my YouTube video. I'm gonna be doing my YouTube video on my bed, because see, I'm tired. I don't want to be standing up doing YouTube videos, because I don't have time to stress myself. But I'll probably sit down there and put my ring light. I put my ring light in this corner. She's at the corner right here. And so I'm probably gonna sit down here. Or I'm gonna sit down there to do my YouTube video, because I have not done K-pop reaction in a while. I need to bring that back, because all my favorite idols are bringing out, all my favorite K-pop artists are bringing out a new book, okay, and I haven't listened to none of those. But I hope you guys enjoy this video of me struggling, fixing my room 12 very soon. Get ready for a room 12, because you're gonna have a room 12 going on, period. And I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe, do this kind of stuff, guys. Get me to 1.6K or probably 1.7K before 2021. So share this with your friends, family, that activities, nature, let them know I'm in the beauty. I can't talk louder because I can't wake my parents up, okay? Actually, what time is it? It's 4:55 a.m. Why am I doing this late? It's because I can't sleep. I cannot sleep. I don't know why, but I'll see you guys on my next video, on the post notification, so you get notified every time I post a video, because you don't want to miss a video from me. And that's period. Bye.